Electric scooters under $500 offer an impressive blend of power, range, and smart features, making them a great choice for commuters, students, and casual riders alike. With enhanced motors, better suspension, and app connectivity often included at this price point, these scooters deliver excellent value without going over budget. Number 1. Gotrax A3 Electric Scooter. Equipped with a robust 350W motor, peak 400W, the Gotrax A3 electric scooter delivers powerful acceleration for effortless riding. With a 187.2 Wh battery, it offers a range of up to 9.5 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures like camping and traveling. Experience the perfect combination of power and endurance. The Gotrax A3 scooter prioritizes your comfort with an adjustable seat and rear shock absorption, reducing road vibrations for a smooth ride on various surfaces. With a robust design that supports up to 220 pounds, it's ideal for commuting or leisurely rides through the park. The ergonomic seat ensures long rides are enjoyable and fatigue-free, making this scooter perfect for anyone seeking a comfortable and reliable ride. Your safety is our top priority. The Gotrax A3 e-scooter complies with UL 2272 standards and features 12-inch pneumatic tires for exceptional shock absorption and stability. Front and rear lights illuminate your path during nighttime rides. A bell alerts pedestrians, and responsive drum brakes provide reliable stopping power. Enjoy a safe and confident ride, no matter where your journey takes you. Number 2. Segway Ninebot E2 Pro Electric Scooter. Equipped with a 750W peak motor, 350W rated, and rear-wheel drive, the E2 Pro achieves a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, 25 kilometers per hour. It can handle inclines up to 18%, making it suitable for urban commuting. The scooter boasts a 275 Wh lithium-ion battery, offering a range of up to 35 kilometers, 21.7 miles, on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode selection. Fitted with 10-inch air leakage-proof tubeless tires, the E2 Pro provides a comfortable ride with reduced risk of punctures. Features a front drum brake and rear electronic brake, ensuring reliable stopping power. Includes LED headlights, tail lights, and left/right turn indicators, enhancing visibility and safety during rides. Compatible with the Segway Ninebot app, allowing users to track ride statistics, adjust settings, and enable features like Apple Find My for scooter location tracking. The scooter weighs approximately 18.8 kilograms, 41.4 pounds, and supports a maximum rider weight of 120 kilograms, 265 pounds. Its foldable design facilitates easy storage and transport. Number 3. Hoverfly X5 Electric Scooter. The Hoverfly X5 e-scooter is equipped with a 500W motor, boasting a 15% climbing capability, strong acceleration, and the ability to easily handle inclines and rough terrain. The commuting electric scooter's front suspension ensures a smoother and more comfortable ride by effectively absorbing shocks and vibrations from uneven surfaces. The adult electric scooter features a 36V12Ah battery, enabling it to traverse up to an impressive 25 miles on a single charge, allowing for longer rides without frequent recharging. This scooter features 10-inch inner honeycomb solid tires that are highly elastic, shock-absorbing, and lightweight, ensuring a comfortable, convenient, and smooth ride. The electric scooter is equipped with a digital lock that safeguards your ride. You can set a personalized electronic code for added security, ensuring your scooter stays safe and protected from theft. The scooter has a walk assist mode. If you do happen to run out of battery, you can walk with it. It can move to safety, and it doesn't drain your battery as fast. Just keep holding down the minus sign, and it goes into the walk mode. Release it, and it will get back to its original mode. Number 4. Gotrax Electric Scooter. Use a 36 V8 AH battery. Can reach up to a max range of 18 miles and a fast speed of 20 miles per hour. You can easily zip around town without worrying about running out of battery. The battery is removable and easy for you to replace it. Adopts a 10-inch big pneumatic wheel, which has better gripability than an 8.5-inch tire, but also acts as a shock absorber as you cruise through bumpy city streets. Offers a safe, smooth, and comfortable ride. With a rated 350W motor, this electric scooter can reach a max speed of 20 mph, gear 115.5 mph, 18 miles at gear 220 mph 14 miles, and climb 5% slope with ease. Made with aluminum alloy body, it is both durable and lightweight. The front headlight ensures better visibility at night, while the red taillights flash when you brake, making the rider more noticeable to other vehicles. Designed with ABS and disc brake, braking is sensitive and fast, which ensures safety. Number 5. Isinwheel GT1 Electric Scooter. GT1 Electric Scooter, equipped with dual front and rear shock absorption systems, effectively absorbs road vibrations, ensuring a smooth and comfortable riding experience even on rough road. Scooter for adults with a range of 28 miles. You can confidently explore farther destinations. Please take of the charger plug on the e-scooter when finished charging. Do not leave the plus on the scooter. Powered by a robust 800W brushless motor. GT1 off-road electric scooter adults delivering strong performance with a top speed of 28 miles per hour. There are 4 speed modes, 9/15/21/28 mph. For e-scooter cater to diverse riding needs, from daily commuting to long-distance adventures. UL 2272 certified adult electric scooter. GT1 scooter for adults is equipped with 10-inch high-performance off-road pneumatic tires, providing superior grip and stability on both muddy paths and city streets, allowing you to ride smoothly across various challenging terrains. Isinwheel electric scooter can load up to 330 pounds. Equipped with headlights, turn signals, taillights, ambient lights and spotlights, fast electric scooter enhances your visibility and safety during nighttime rides. GT1 e-scooter for adults with Isinwheel app support. You can easily customize riding mode and monitor battery life and speed in real time, making every ride more convenient.